I'm not here to waste your time, and I'm not here to talk in circles. I'm here to help you take better care of your skin, your health, and your habits. If you follow what I'm about to say, your skin will get better, your confidence will go up, and you'll stop stressing about things you've been trying to fix for years. I'm about to walk you through a routine that can actually save your skin. Not because it's magical or fancy, but because it works. I'm not going to hype up random products or pretend that every week you need something new. That's all lies. Good skin doesn't come from switching products every 2 days. That's how you mess your face up. And before we even talk about products, let's talk about the real foundation. Skincare doesn't start with what you put on your face. It starts with the things you do every day without even thinking about them. You can have the best routine in the world, but if your daily habits are trash, your skin will stay the same. People hate hearing this, but it's the truth. Your skin reflects how you live. Let's talk about the common mistakes people make. 1. You don't sleep enough. You can slap on all the serums you want. If you sleep 4 hours a night, your skin will look tired, dull, and inflamed. There's no product that replaces sleep. None. Your body repairs itself when you sleep. That includes your skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Not perfect every night, but most nights. 2. You're dehydrated. Your skin cannot glow if your body is running on 1 glass of water and iced coffee. Drink water. Not a whole ocean, just a reasonable amount. Even small improvements change your skin fast. 3. Your diet affects your face. We're not being extreme. We're not saying you need to go vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, everything-free. We're being practical. If your daily diet is oily food, instant noodles, chips, sugary drinks, random snacks, your skin will show it. You don't need a perfect diet. Just make better choices more often. 4. You don't move enough. Exercise helps your skin because it moves blood, reduces stress, and helps your body flush stuff out. Even a 10-minute walk helps. 5. You keep touching your face, and then you wonder why you break out. Your hands touch everything. Your face should touch nothing. 6. You don't clean the things that touch your face daily, including pillowcase hands, headphones, your hair. Skincare is not complicated. It gets complicated when people ignore the simple stuff. Now, let's get into the actual routine. The first step is simple. Cleansing balm. Not because it's trendy, but because it actually works. It removes sunscreen, makeup, and everything your skin collects during the day. You don't need the most expensive brand. Use whatever is cheapest and gentle. Korean balms are often the best price. It doesn't matter which one. What matters is that you use one Next gel cleanser. Not the harsh kind. Not the type that makes your skin feel squeaky. Squeaky skin is damaged skin. You want gentle, light, and simple. If a cleanser makes your skin feel dry, tight, or stiff, throw it out. You don't need to use a gel cleanser every single morning. Overwashing can irritate your face. Sometimes water is enough. Physical exfoliants? Use them rarely. All those rough scrubs people keep rubbing into their faces every day do more harm than good. Your skin isn't something you're supposed to grind down. Treat it gently. If you want something that actually supports your skin without hype, look for a barrier repair hydrating toner. The kind made with soothing ingredients like panthenol, madecassoside, and low irritation moisturizers. This type of formula focuses on calming, restoring, and strengthening your skin instead of attacking it. And here's the part most people get wrong. Apply it on damp skin. Don't dry your face completely with a towel. A little water left on your skin helps these formulas absorb deeper and hold moisture better. It's a simple habit that makes a real difference in softness, hydration, and barrier strength. Let's talk about retinol and tretinoin. You've seen people hype it up everywhere, and yes, it works, but people make it sound scary when it's not. Start once a week. Use a tiny amount. If your skin tingles or peels, that's normal. That's part of the process. Your skin is renewing itself. You're not damaging anything unless you go overboard. On the nights you're not using retinol, use a chemical exfoliant. AHA or BHA depending on what you need. AHA for texture, BHA for blackheads. Now let's talk about moisturizer. You are being scammed. If your moisturizer costs more than $50, you're wasting your money. Moisturizer does not add moisture, it locks moisture in. It's a barrier, that's all. You don't need anything fancy. You just need something that seals the hydration you already put on your skin. Use something cheap, thick if your skin is dry, lighter if it's oily. You don't need anything complicated. You're not buying magic, you're buying a basic barrier. And during the daytime, sunscreen, even if you're inside, even if you think you don't need it, even if you're lazy. UV damage does not care about your excuses. A lot of products promise to fix everything. Wrinkles, dark spots, sagging, dullness, acne, pigmentation. All at once sounds amazing, right? Sounds like the shortcut everyone wants. But skin doesn't work like that. Your skin doesn't wake up one morning and suddenly glow because a jar is expensive, shiny, or has some weird-sounding ingredient no one can pronounce. Most of the time, those fancy labels and glossy packaging are there for one reason: to trick you into thinking you need more than you actually do. They want you to feel like your skin is broken, incomplete, or inferior, so you'll pay for something that often does very little. And the basic, cheap products do 90% of what your skin actually needs. The rest is marketing noise. Your skin doesn't care about hype, brand names, or celebrity endorsements. It doesn't care about luxury ingredients that cost more than your coffee bill. Your skin only cares about three things: consistency, protection, and hydration. That's it. Everything else is secondary, optional, or flat out unnecessary. Think about it. How many times have you bought a high-end cream promising to erase wrinkles, only to see no difference after a month? Or a miracle serum for brightening that barely does anything? That's because most of the hype is designed to sell hope, not results. Skincare brands know you'll buy it anyway because it looks and sounds impressive, and you do. Every single time. Expensive does not mean effective. Fancy doesn't mean better. Gold flakes, rare plant extracts, weirdly exotic oils. None of that matters if your skin is dry, irritated, or unprotected from the sun. A $10 moisturizer that keeps your skin hydrated and a consistent sunscreen routine will do more for your long-term skin health than any $200 luxury product ever could. And here's something most people miss. The more complicated the routine, the easier it is to mess it up. 10-step routines, layered serums, expensive night creams, and specialty masks. People think the more they add, the better the results. But all that complexity often just irritates the skin, wastes money, and creates stress. Your skin doesn't need complexity, it needs reliability. So stop believing the marketing. Stop falling for the shiny packaging. Stop thinking that spending hundreds on creams will give you perfect skin. Focus on simple, consistent, protective, and hydrating steps instead. Nighttime repair, daytime protection, gentle cleansing, and barrier support. That's the real formula. Everything else is optional, overpriced, and probably a scam. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.